Hey guys, what's up? Today I wanted to show you something really cool, and this is called i4Siri, and it's actually a server that you can use to Spire, but you can download via Cydia. It's not available yet. I had to really stress that you can't get this yet, but it will be available hopefully within the next few days, if not the next few weeks. So I'm in contact with the people making this, and it's something that's really cool. And the main thing that makes this significant difference than other Siri ports is this actually doesn't use any 4S keys, meaning it's not actually going through Apple, which means there's no way Apple can block it like they have been trying to with other Siri servers, because the problem with the other ones is 4S keys. Once a lot of people use like one ID, Apple found out. But with this, the only limit is servers, and they have a ton of those, and they've been getting a lot of donations. So if you want to donate, you can donate, link in the description. But that's basically how this works, and it's really significant to know it doesn't use 4S keys. So you can see, basically, you install currently, they're changing it up a little bit. Currently for me, I installed a profile to my device, and I entered a URL into Spire, which I'm not going to show you guys now. But anyways, I'm going to be showing you how i4Siri works. So you can see it's pretty much like Spire, so it works like pretty much any Siri proxy, and this aims to look like the actual real thing. So they don't have everything programmed in, but they have a lot of stuff working, and they're hoping on getting it all working before it starts. I'm going to be showing you obviously stuff that works, and it works pretty well, knowing that it's not actually going through Apple, and I believe they're using Google Voice API or something like that. Anyways, the first thing I'm going to show off is weather. What is the weather like? And hopefully we'll get the same response we would get when we were using Siri.
Trying to get weather data for this location. I found the following forecast for Palo Alto, California.
Okay, so you can see right there it worked pretty well. You can see the little weather widget that pops up right here, and you can even ask it for like a certain day or anything. It'll give you the hours just like the regular Siri would. So that's pretty impressive. Now I'm going to move on to the next thing. What time is it? Keep in mind, I'm not doing everything it can do. I'm just doing a few examples to show what it can do. So you can see right here it pulled up a clock. And another thing we can do is even use plugins. Plugins work the best because all of them work automatically. So I have Open Siri installed right now, and I'm going to be showing you how that works. So if we close out, you can see we're on the home screen, right? So when I do this, open YouTube. Hopefully this will work first try. And you can see right there it worked perfectly. It opened YouTube just like it would on a 4S, so that's definitely a thumbs up for this. And the next thing we're going to try is Wolfram Alpha. So they've got this working. I'm not sure if it's going to be available for free people because of the API cost, but I'll be showing you this now. What is 10 plus 10? So I'm just giving it a basic problem just so it can pop up the window.
This might answer your question.
And you can see right there you have the input. You can see result 100 number line, everything you'd see on like Wolfram Alpha. So that's pretty cool. And another thing I wanted to show you is that it actually works with like the little dictation button. A lot of people may not think that actually works, but I'll be showing you that right now. So you can see right here I'm gonna say some things and see if it gets it. So this is a test using the Notes app. So you can see it got it perfectly. I'm going to admit it doesn't usually work as good as Apple server, but it does work pretty well if you talk slowly. So I'm going to try one other thing, and I'm also doing all this in a row live without any cuts, so it's been doing pretty well for the whole time. So the next thing I'm going to say is, when you're using Google, period, sometimes you need to talk a little slower. So let's hopefully see that this picks it up. So you can see there, it got it like perfectly. So that's just another cool example of something you can do with this. Now, i4Siri is not out for the public, and the intent is there's going to be a free version, so you're going to be able to use Siri on any device, that even the iPhone 4. I don't 4S. I don't even see why you wouldn't want to use it on 4S. But this will work with the iPad, the iPod, and the previous models of the iPhone, like the iPhone 4 and iPhone 3GS. So this is just a really cool project. If you want more information, check the link in the description. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.